Alright, this is a two-step mole conversion. Example number one. What makes it a two-step conversion is that you have to go through moles to get to your final solution. You have to do a conversion twice. So this one says 43.11 grams of titanium equals how many atoms of titanium. I don't have a conversion factor that goes from grams straight to atoms. I have one that goes from grams, so the molar mass is equal to 1 mole, so I can go from grams to moles. I have one that goes from 22.4 liters is equal to 1 mole, so I can go from liters to moles. And I have one that says 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, molecules, or formula units equals 1 mole. So I don't have something that can get me straight from grams or mass to atoms. So I have to go from mass to moles and then from moles to atoms. Okay? That's what makes it a two-step process. So just like the one-step process, we're going to start with what we're given. We have 43.11 grams of titanium, and I'm trying to get to atoms. So whatever I have here has to go down here, grams of titanium. Alright, it has to go down here so that it will cancel out. If I don't have it on top and bottom, it doesn't cancel. Now, if I look at my formula units, remember molar mass is in grams, so I have grams to moles, grams to moles. Okay, and I'm still talking about titanium. So, look at the numbers. What here is 1, so I write a 1. This is the molar mass, and the molar mass of titanium is found on the periodic table. So we look at the periodic table. Here's titanium. The mass is 47.867. So the mass is 47.867. Now that cancels out my grams of titanium, cancels out my grams of titanium, leaves me with moles of titanium. The question wants atoms, so I keep going. If I have moles of titanium here, I need to have moles of titanium here so that they will cancel out. And just like before, in the conversion factor, the number next to mole is always 1. So 1 mole of titanium is equal to 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. So that's what I put here. Okay, now moles of titanium cancel. I'm left with atoms of titanium, which is what the question wants. So now all I have to do is multiply that out. So I take my calculator and I'm going to do multiply across the top. So 43.11 times 1 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd equals the big long number, 2.5968 times 10 to the 25th. Alright, and now I'm going to divide by 47.867, 47.867, and that gives me 5.423 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of titanium. And there you go.